I have finally snagged a large Telfar tote, bag, shopper, piece, moment, and we're going to unbox that today. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trey and I honestly don't have nothing else to say, but I got a Telfar large shopper. We're gonna unbox it today. That's all I have to say. The moment is here. I've been looking at this box for a couple days, even more than a couple days, several days, knowing I wanted to do this unboxing video. So let's get to it. Now you may be saying, Trey, didn't you did the, yes, I did. This is my second Telfar that I've gotten through just a drop. You know, this wasn't a like a pre-order or like bag security. I went on the website, 9 o'clock in the morning, had my card information already in the autofill, and I got my Telfar. So for anyone that's sitting here telling you that you can't do it, don't listen to them. It's possible. You can get your Telfar bag, Telfizi, whatever you want to call it. You can get it through the drop that happens from week to week. Don't count yourself out. You got this. This is large. Definitely the box is a lot. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm cracking up because this box looks big. It looks bigger than it is, but it's like kind of bigger than my head, which is hilarious. The box is clearly larger than I have a medium and I also have a mini. And this box is definitely larger than the boxes that those came in naturally. Again, I didn't have any issues as far as the timing of my shipment. When I ordered my bag, it came very, very quickly. Basically it was here by the next week. I can't remember exactly what day I ordered. Maybe it was either Wednesday or Thursday. I think it was Wednesday. And my bag, I want to say my bag came by Monday or Tuesday. So definitely within a week, it had arrived. And then, like I said, I had to wait some days so I could do this unboxing with you. Okay, I'm tired of talking. Let me open this thing up. Okay, here is how it looks in, Here's how it looks in the box. I'm having to lean because we are struggling to keep this thing in the frame. This is the Telfizi. So yeah, that's how it looks in the box. Now I'm gonna set this monster box down. So yes, this I do not know why the size is tickling me because it is definitely a lot bigger than any other one that I've ordered up until this point. Again, it don't matter what size you get in your dust bag, you can count on that. And you also, as always, with the packaging, you get your nice little plastic bag that holds the bag inside of it, the bag in place. So, such a great detail that Telfar does for people that purchase a bag. Sometimes in the land of dust bags, I don't usually use dust bags for any of my bags. I probably should, but I just don't. Oftentimes it is a struggle to get your bag in the dust bag. But I will say that anytime I've used the dust bags with my Telfar, my medium and my minis, they fit in there perfectly. And it's a great moment. So let's clap up. We're gonna clap up the dust bag for a moment. So yeah, you have your Telfar logo. Everything is just so well packaged. So again, this is the largest size of the shoppers from Telfar. And I have been wanting to get a large just because I have a medium, and the medium is basically, It's a good, I would say, like a good work bag, or if you need somewhere to kind of throw your laptop in there, and a few things. But I wanted a large too, just in case I wanted to either use it as maybe like a weekender type of bag. This is not going to get you through a whole, well, I mean, depending on how light you pack, it might, but this ain't gonna get you through like a week of traveling, or a week of, I don't know, whatever you need to do for a week. But it definitely would be good for, it could also work as a work bag if you just need a lot more space than the medium has. I was also thinking about, okay, well, maybe I need it for if I wanted to like throw like a pair of shoes in there, or like I said, if I'm going somewhere just for a couple of days, I can use it for that. And even like with like running errands, if like, you know, you might go to the coffee shop or something like that, and you just want to be able to have room to put just a little bit more than you can in the medium. So that's why I ended up getting this large. I have been thinking about it, and the minute I saw that link say that they were, or the email blast saying that the black bags were coming back around, I said, I'm gonna get this, and I got it. Praise the Lord. So again, this is the large Telfar. Trying to get as fitted in as well as I can. You have your straps. Oh, wait now. They done did something new. I don't remember this. I think now they give you a little, like a Velcro piece that you can keep. Like you can reuse this, but it's a Velcro piece around the straps. Dope. Yeah, I don't think that was in my, I don't remember this being in my medium. It may have been. I know it wasn't in my mini when I purchased it. So nice little detail there. So a little Velcro strap keeper, hold you down. Okay, so you have your straps, your two straps. Inside, as always, nice and spacious. You have a zipper and a zipper pocket on the inside too, so you'll feel a little bit more secure with anything that you might throw in there. And then they have a slip pocket. There's a slip pocket on this side. This bag is a very large, which is good. That's what I wanted it for. But yes, so there's your slip pocket here. So a good amount of storage options. The one thing I also like about these bags, and I really, I don't know if I would use this for a work bag, but this would be definitely great for travel. And if I just needed an extra space to throw some more stuff in. But the one thing that I do like about the design of these Telfar bags, or these Telfar shoppers, is with the bag being open the way it is, depending on how organized you are in your bags, which I am not always the most organized, but when I have my moments, it can be pretty easy to get like little solutions. So like I have pouches, like zipper pouches that I use to keep certain things in. So, you know, like maybe a wallet and like hand sanitizer or chapstick or whatever, just put all that into my zipper pouches. And then I can put, you know, like a notebook, or, you know, maybe my laptop and things that I know I can easily pull out and put back in there. So I do like the openness, just because you're able to like really rummage, and the whole arm is up in here. So there ain't nothing but space and opportunity to get your stuff organized if that's how you feeling and that's what you want to do. Yeah, the large, it is true to its name. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this purchase, which I expect it to be, because I own the other two sizes. And it just looks so sleek, like all of the Telfar bags do. And yes, I'm excited to give this a test. And down the road, I'll definitely do a review on how I like it and what my experience is like. But for now, I just wanted to unbox it because I was just so excited to get it. And yeah. Okay. Loving this. So what do you think about the new Telfar, the large? Are you thinking it's too big? It's doing too much? Are you think it's just right? You want to get one of your own, or did you cop one when they did the drop recently for the black bags? Like, definitely let me know in the comment section. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll definitely have more reviews, more unboxings, and things along those lines that'll be coming out. And just thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.